Let Trucker come in.
Trucker. Come here, boy.
You want to come in?
You want to see your babies? Come on, Trucker. Skye, will you let Daddy in?
Skye. Come, Skye.
Come here, Trucker.
Come in.
Come here. Come. Here, boy. Here.
Come on.
Good.
Boy.
Okay. Here, you do it, because... Good. Lay down. The babies. That's a good boy. Good boy. They talking to you. Oh, listen. They have your mommy's voice. Yes, they have mommy's voice. Good boy. Yeah, that's a little girl.
Skye, is Daddy gonna help?
Oh,
do some more?
look, who's sitting.
Oh.
Is it Neptune? No, Daisy.
Daisy.
Daisy was sitting. Good.
Look, somebody just emerged from Tracker's tail.
He has no clue.
Like, what are they looking for? Oh, look. Who's that?
Dottie.
Dottie.
Dottie and Daddy.
Is that Daddy? Oh, somebody else emerged.
Oh. Good boy.
Tigger right there.
Tigger
And just coming out is TJ maybe?
TJ. Yeah, TJ was back there.